Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with some new improvements in Odoo accounting with subject to analytic accounts. Now I am on Odoo 18.4, the latest version, and I would like to explain how the reporting has been improved with context of analytic plans and subplans in the budget as well as the analytic report. So let's jump and create entire business case where we can use the analytic plan, subplan, and its respective automation and how budget can be defined and how we can access the reporting. So today I would like to give an example of a trading business where I have different category of products which I am selling, and those are in larger level groceries, medicine, cosmetics. Not only that, even in this particular categorization, I would like to add more category of my offerings. Let's say in cosmetics, I would like to offer beauty products, skincare product, hair care product. And then likewise, if I go back to medicine, I would also like to offer allopathic medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and homeopathic medicines. So this is how I have defined my plans. Over here, if you see, with respect to this cosmetics trading business, I have defined three subplans: beauty, skincare, hair care. And then I have also defined beauty, skincare, and hair care as, you know, the three different analytic accounts to measure the overall performance of these three products. Now I would like to show you how we have set up the product connection for automation. So over here I have created the distribution models, which is taking us to connect to product category and subcategory belonging to skincare. And over here in distribution I have created cosmetics skincare, which is my analytic account, which I have connected over here. Likewise, I have done the same for hair care and beauty products. And then I have defined analytic budget for beauty, skincare, and hair care. Okay, now with this example, it is running. Let's define our entire, you know, plans and then the accounts for this medicine business: allopathic, Ayurvedic, and homeopathic. So I am now defining the sub plans for that. So if I'm going over here and understanding my logic, like this trading business cosmetic, and under that three plans are there. The same way I will define three analytic accounts now, that is allopathic, which is a sub plan or third child plan under trading, medicine, and then allopathy. Likewise, I will define Ayurvedic and then homeopathic. So now I will have three different, analytic account with three different sub plans under the medicine, under the trading business. So this is the first part of it. Now to connect the products and automation, I will also define the medicine product, and then under that I will create allopathic medicine, where my parent will be medicine product. Let me just duplicate this and change it to Vedic, then duplicate, and then it is homeopathic. Now, having said this, this will define three different product subcategory, and I will create some of the product. Homeopathic 1, then allopathic 2 will be my products under allopathic. Then for Ayurvedic, I will create some products. Ayurveda 1, and then Ayurveda 2. So this will become my medicine products under subcategory, and likewise in homeopathy also I will define homeopathy 1. So let me duplicate it quickly, then homeopathy 2. So my product categorization and everything is done. Now to pull the analytic distribution model and its applicability, we will connect the product category of allopathic with distribution model that is my child category, like this. Under over here we can see the allopathic is the one, so allopathic will go over here. So I am connecting allopathic over here. Then for Ayurveda I will connect product category, and then Ayurvedic as this, and then the third category is homeopathic, and I will connect my homeopathic analytic distribution over here likewise. And then now I can define my budget. So over here the cosmetic business budget is already set with first entire year, and budget type I have defined is both. Now some people are confused what is type budget type both. So if I define budget type both, then I will get whatever is budgeted, committed and achieved, which is a difference between revenue and expenses. As soon as I register my customer bills and all this thing, then it will directly come over here. So now you can see pertaining to the business, you can see beauty, skincare and hair care. I have budget 10, 50, 25,000. Against I have committed this and achieved this. Now if you see, if I change my type to revenue and run this report, it will only show me the cosmetic business and then it's beauty and all with the revenue planning. So this is my revenue. How this revenue comes, let's see. If I go to customer invoice, I open this invoice where I have sold all three product with its analytic account, and I can register 9 lakh, 90,000 and 1 lakh with beauty, skin and hair care. So beauty products worth 9 lakh. See, if I go back to my budget, and I can see in budget report, when I run beauty product, 9 lakh is there. Okay, now if I change to only expense and run my budget report and then run with my analytic, then it will register beauty 1 lakh. How it comes, then let's see. Let's duplicate the window and then run this vendor bills where I have purchased some products with beauty product worth 1 lakh rupees, which is coming over here. So 1 lakh 17,000 was total of this bill. And then if I go and see revenue, and then if I see both, then it will register the difference of both the account, which is 972. Now if you want to see how it comes, then you can definitely see over here, this was budgeted, this is committed and achieved after here. So 1 lakh was there under hair care product, and this is all I can see over here. So 9 lakh was the revenue, against that 1 lakh is the expense. So the difference will be 972. Like it total this minus whatever it is. So 9 plus 90 plus 1 lakh. So 10 lakh 90,000 minus 1 lakh 17,000, which will become this amount, which is coming as a both when I run with the both. Now let's create our new budget, that is for medicine budget, and let's run an entire example with both. Let me select the period over here and then define our budget for each and every stream that is called allopathic. My budget will be 10 lakh. Then for Ayurveda, as Ayurveda is on demand, let me do 20 lakh. And then homeopathy where I would like to keep 5 lakh rupees of budget. So now budget is fixed. Now budget report, you will see only budget of 35 lakh rupees for entire year. And if I run the segregation, then it will come allopathic, Ayurvedic and homeopathic. Now let's see if I run and register any customer invoice for all the Ayurveda product. Let's say one, then Ayurvedic analytic account will automatically pull over here, where I will say, then Ayurveda 2, again I will say, then homeopathy 1, homeopathic analytic account will be automatically selected over here. And then let me click on this allopathic medicine, where I am selling worth 700 units at 80 rupees. So this will become my income against my budget. Okay, so this will create an income. So let's see how it works. If I go to analytic budget and open my medicine budget and budget report, now you can see the budget was 35 lakh against 191 lakh worth of this invoice is seen over here. But if I want to see segregated part, then if I open that budget, then it will directly come over here. Now if you want to see the secondary part, if you click this, then medicine business will be there. If you do on this, then only trading business will be there as a whole. Okay, so trading business with medicine, but trading business with secondary type like medicine, you can see over here. And then over here you can see allopathic, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, everything pertaining to medicine budget will be shown here, because we are into budget report. Now if I run analytic budget or in report, if I say budget report, so it will all come as a draft budget under two segregation, cosmetic and medicine. So cosmetic budget was 85,000, medicine budget was 35 lakh. And over here, if I want to run my segregated report for sub plan and sub categorization, I can easily fetch for cosmetic also and for this medicine also. So both you can see over here very easily with this budget report. Now on the counterpart, if I book any vendor bill to buy certain products from my vendor 2 as a company, and then let me buy some Ayurveda product with, let's say, 100 unit at 100 each, then allopathic medicine, then 90 with 90, and then I will buy some homeopathy medicine also, like I will also buy homeopathy 2 to hit again that account. So now my vendor bill will be booked against the entire budget. And if I go and run my analytic report pertaining to any month, now I can see for trading business entire spectrum will be available, because trading business is a part of all 6 different accounts. But now if I want to see only for major category, I will go over here, then it will show for trading business and trading cosmetic business. Okay, and now under trading business, if I run with the secondary type, then medicine and cosmetic both business will be covered. Now if I run with this, then entire 6 analytic account will throw me a complete report over here. So now this will become my analytic report for the entire parent category and child category over here. Not even this. Now if you jump to profit and loss account, and if you want to run with the majority of plan, then if you run only for trading business, then entire trading business has a revenue of this and operating expense of this. But now if you want to categorize your business for one particular niche category, then if you select medicine and allopathic, and if you run both, then it will show you the figure of trading business and allopathic business in total. Okay, because medicine, under medicine we have allopathic business. Now if I will say I want only medicine, then it will show only medicine, but medicine doesn't have any such a sales directly hit connected to it. So if I run over here and run medicine, then it will show as a secondary medicine as well as cosmetics. Then I can see the trading business coverage is 12,81,000 of total sales. Out of that, 191 lakh or 191,000 from medicine business and 10 lakh 90,000 from cosmetic business. So this is how your parent child relationship will throw you entire business by selection of your parent and child plans and its account category. So now if I only want in accounting wise, then if I want only beauty care, only hair care, and then maybe homeopathic and then Ayurvedic, then it will generate a report pertaining to the entire revenue collected from those individual niche product category. So this is just an example which you can replicate in your different business scenarios with major business category and sub business category and their product to automate, to plan a budget report, and then analytic report. So hope this particular scenario business case will help and unlock many end user or many consultant to configure the nice analytic plan, subplan, and accounts in such a way which can give you a real insight for your business, which runs on Odoo with such a beauty. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please reach out to me via YouTube channel or LinkedIn or our website techvaria.com. Have a good night. Bye. Take care.